There is a lot of noise around the Suevery Prebuilt 14th gen right now. Let me tell you, I've been putting this thing through its paces and I'm here to give you the real lowdown. Now, if you're still using that clunky old gaming rig from 2019, don't even get me started on how far behind you are. The Suevery Prebuilt 14th gen is like a sports car for your computer. It's got the power, the speed, and the style to leave all the other junk in the dust. This thing is an absolute powerhouse processor, folks. I mean, we're talking about someone who can handle 24 cores and 32 threads with ease, making it perfect for serious gamers, video editors, and anyone else who needs a little extra oomph. But it's not just about raw power. This PC has got features that will actually make your life better. Take the RAM, for example. We're talking about 16G DDR5 here, which is like having a superhighway of data moving through your system. Multitasking just got a whole lot smoother, and gaming performance? Forget about it. And then there's the graphics card, an RTX 5060 Ti that's capable of handling even the most demanding games at stunning resolutions. I mean, you can play those fancy new games with ray tracing and DLSS 3 without breaking a sweat. This thing is like having your own personal movie theater in your living room. But what really gets me excited about this PC is its design. The curved tempered glass panel and RGB lighting make it look like something out of a sci-fi movie, and the stand-up desktop design makes it easy to connect all your devices without having to deal with tangled cables. Now, I know some people might say that the only thing holding this PC back is its price tag. And yeah, it's not cheap, but let me tell you, this thing delivers value for money like no other. If you're serious about upgrading your gaming experience or just need a solid workhorse for everyday tasks, this is the one to go with. So what's my verdict? Buy. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you do happen to find yourself in the market for a new PC and are considering alternatives, don't waste your time looking anywhere else. The Suevery Prebuilt 14th gen is the real deal, folks. Subscribe for weekly reviews that actually go deep. You will not regret it. Amazon link is right below. Until next time.